to adjust programmer time and date on Respicardia Programmer 4.5.0.6 utilized for Remedy Model 1001. How to adjust programmer time and date if displaying inaccurately in the bottom right-hand corner. For this programmer adjustment, you will not need to have a Remedy device interrogated. There are 3 simple steps to adjust programmer time and date. Step 1 will be to select Set PC Time from the Tools pull-down menu located in the top left-hand corner. Step 2, modify the date and time to preferred date and time. And lastly, Step 3, select OK. You will see the new time and date reflected in the bottom right-hand corner. These are the steps for how to adjust programmer time and date on Respicardia Programmer 4.5.0.6 utilized for Remedy Model 1001.